welcome back to Hi Sutapa. So in today's vlog, I wanted to say that I have started doing this private tutoring job again. Yes, I was already doing it in 2019. In 2020, I had to shut down because of the pandemic, but now I have started it again. So I'm doing this job, and I'm happy that I'll be finally able to support myself again. A little bit though, but yeah, I'll be supporting myself, able to support myself. This is my journey of being independent, and I'm happy. And in today's vlog, I'm going to show you how I am managing my this tuition thing, and then my studies and all, and everyday life. So first of all, in the morning, it's currently 9:30 or something, so I'll get ready and do my breakfast and go to one of them's house. Like, yeah, they are my neighbors basically, and he also lives very close to my house, but he is very small to come to my house, so I had to go to his house. It's in my neighborhood, so there's no problem in going, and I don't need like a much time. So I'm going to his house right now, but for going, I will change this dress and wear my everyday clothes and then have my breakfast, and then I'll go. Yeah, so let's go. And I'm really happy that I'm able to support myself. So yeah, this is also great. So let's go. I'm going to show you how I manage myself with tutoring. Let's go, guys. I'm currently walking. It's only 5 minutes away from my house, so yeah. I'm having this for today's lunch. Some rice, potatoes, and this is some leftover fish, and with some jam right here. So I'll have this. Oops. I hope it doesn't fall. Hmm.
8 into 6, 48. What to 48? 6 into 9.
To 6. 7 into 9.
7 into 9. 7 into 9. 63. 8 into 4. 8 into 4 is 32. 63. 3 into 7. 3 into 7. 21.
4 into 7.
7 into 4. 7 into 4 হবে 28.
কোনটা বড়?
এইটা বড় 28টা।
গুড, এটা হয়ে গেল। নাম্বার 2।
Number 2. Match the multiplied line and boxes with their products in the circles.
ম্যাচ করতে হবে।
5.
8 3 8 3 দেখো। It's flattened rice. It's made of flattened rice. Every Indian knows about this. This is poha. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Friday. It's currently 7:30 a.m. in the morning and I just woke up now at 6:30. Not now, but at 6:30 a.m. in the morning. So I'll be studying now because I have to go to take those private tuition like one in. So I'm going to study now from 7:30 to, I don't know, maybe till 8:30 a.m. in the morning, or 9. But then I have to do my breakfast and go to his house to teach him. So yeah, I'll study now. Let's go. I was coming back home, it started raining so heavily, and I forgot to bring my umbrella. So, my student's mother, she gave me one and she asked me to go home safely in this rain. And it's raining so bad, I mean, so heavily. I'm about to reach home, but still, it's, yeah. Why did I forget my umbrella? Like, this is the rainy season and I forgot my umbrella. Don't do this stupidity like me. Okay, I'm going home right now. So, his mother is really very good. She gave me an umbrella. Okay, this is chilka. So this is the chilka. I've taken two, and this is a mango jam which my mom made in home. So this is my breakfast.